CVMC, ECE, Unit 1, Complex Variables, Lesson 18, Problem 37. If f of z is u plus iv is an analytic function of z. Analytic function of z. Then prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square mod f of z whole power p is equal to p square into mod f of z whole power p minus 2 mod f dash z whole square. Solution dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square mod f of z whole power p is equal to 4 into dou square by dou z bar mod f of z whole power p. This is equal to 4 into dou by dou z of dou by dou z bar mod f of z whole square whole power p by 2 4 dou by dou z of dou by dou z bar mod f of z whole square is f of z into f of z bar whole power p by 2. 4 dou by dou z bar f of z whole power p by 2 f of z bar whole power p by 2. AB whole power m is equal to AB whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m using this formula. 4 dou by dou z, first with respect to z bar, this is constant, f of z whole power p by 2 constant, derivative of this one with respect to z bar, so p by 2 f z whole bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 into derivative of this one f dash z whole bar. 2 cancel here 2 times. 2 now derivative of this one with respect to z, this one constant, you take derivative of this one, 2 into p by 2 f of z whole power p by 2 minus 1 into p f of z whole bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 into f of z derivative f dash z into f dash z bar. 2 to cancel, p into p square f of z into f bar z, f of z into f bar z whole power p by 2 minus 1. This is mod f of f dash z whole square. By definition, mod f dash z whole square. This is p square into, this is mod f z whole square whole power p by 2 minus 1. Taking LCM, we get p minus 2 by 2 mod f dash z whole square is equal to p square root 2 to cancel. We get mod f z whole power p minus 2 mod f dash z whole square. Problem 38. If f of z is an analytic function with constant modulus show that f of z is constant. F of z is constant. Solution. F of z is equal to u plus iv. We know this definition. So, is another function with constant modulus. Means mod f of z is root over u square plus v square. This is equal to constant. Constant is given here. Constant. So squaring on both sides, u square plus v square is equal to c square. 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. U square derivative 2u, again u derivative with respect to x, dou u by dou x, plus 2v dou v by dou x is equal to constant derivative 0. U dou u by dou x plus v dou v by dou x is equal to 0. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. Say this is 2. With respect to y. So 2u dou u by dou y plus 2v dou v by dou y is equal to constant derivative 0. Common one, cancel it. U dou u by dou y plus v dou v by dou y is equal to 0 by 2, 0. U dou u by dou y, that is minus dou v by dou x, plus v dou v by dou y, that is dou u by dou x is equal to 0. This is 3. Using CR equations, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Squaring and adding 3 and 2 and 3. Squaring and adding 2 and 3. Left sides square u dou u by dou x plus v dou v by dou x whole square plus here left side minus u dou v by dou x plus v dou u by dou x whole square. Right side 0 square plus 0 square 0. So a plus b whole square formula u square dou u by dou x whole square a square plus b square v square dou v by dou x whole square plus 2ab 2uv dou u by dou x dou v by dou x plus u square dou v by dou x whole square plus v square dou u by dou x whole square minus 2uv dou v by dou x dou u by dou x is equal to right side 0. Cancel. Two terms cancel. Here you common u square here. Common v square here. U square common. Dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square. V square common. Dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square is equal to 0. Now u square plus v square into dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square is equal to 0. Dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square is equal to 0 by u square plus v square, that is 0. So this is nothing but a f dash z mod f dash z whole square is equal to 0. F dash z is equal to 0. F of z is constant. Hence proved. Orthogonal system or orthogonal trajectories. F of z is equal to uxy plus ivxy is an analytic function. Defines two family of curves uxy is equal to c1, vxy is equal to c2, which forms an orthogonal system. So here uxy is equal to c1 du derivative, c1 derivative 0. U is a function of xy. Du formula dou u by dou x into dx by dx plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Dx by dx is 1. From this dy by dx is equal to minus dou u by dou x by dou u by dou y. This is nothing but m1. This is nothing but m1. Vxy is equal to c2. dv is equal to 0. Dou v by dou x into dx by dx plus dou v by dou y into dy by dx is equal to 0. dx by dx is 1. From this, dy by dx is equal to minus dou v by dou x by dou v by dou y. Say this is m2. m2. m1 into m2. What is your m1? Minus dou u by dou x by dou u by dou y into m2 minus dou v by dou x by dou v by dou y. This is equal to, write minus dou u by dou x by dou u by dou y as it is. Minus dou u by dou x can be written as dou u by dou y by dou u by dou y can be written as dou u by dou x by CR equations. CR equations, since f of z is analytic function, that's why we have to use CR equations here. So cancel, we get minus 1. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 means given two families of curves, given two families of curves form orthogonal system. Orthogonal system, and also orthogonal trajectories one to each other. Orthogonal trajectories one to each other. That is, find orthogonal trajectories of u means we have to find v. Similarly, find orthogonal trajectories of v means we have to find u. That is whenever real part is given, we have to find imaginary part. Whenever imaginary part is given, we have to find real part. Already we know that procedure. Problem 39. If f of z is equal to 1 by z, then show that uxy is equal to c1, vxy is equal to c2, intersect orthogonally. Solution: f of z is equal to 1 by z. U plus iv is equal to 1 by x plus iy. Multiplying both sides by x minus iy. X minus iy by, this is a plus ib, a minus ib, x, a square plus b square formula. x square plus y square. So u means uxy plus iv means vxy, x by x square plus y square plus I into minus y by x square plus y square. Separating. Equating real and imaginary parts. uxy is equal to x by x square plus y square. vxy is equal to minus y by x square plus y square. Now we have to find m1 minus dou u by dou x by dou u by dou y minus dou u by dou x. U derivative with respect to x. Apply u by v formula. X square plus y square into x derivative 1 minus x into x square derivative 2x. X square derivative 2x by a plus v square x square plus y square whole square by dou u by dou y. U derivative with respect to y, x is constant. So this is 1 by x model derivative minus 1 by x square into y square derivative with respect to y. Y square derivative with respect to y. Now we simplifying, we get here y square minus x square into minus. So x square minus y square by minus 2xy. X square plus y square whole square, x square plus y square whole square cancel. m2 minus dou v by dou x by dou v by dou y minus dou v by dou x. V derivative with respect to x. Here v is this one. So minus y constant. 1 by x mod minus 1 by x square plus y square whole square into x square derivative 2x by dou v by dou y. Apply u by v formula. X square plus y square, v into y derivative 1 minus y into 2y by x square plus y square whole square by v square formula. So we get my minus minus cancel. Here 2xy by minus minus plus. This minus minus cancel. Minus minus plus. Here x square minus y square. Denominator cancel. So m1 into m2. X square minus y square by minus 2xy into 2xy by x square minus y square. We get minus 1. Therefore uxy is equal to c1, vxy is equal to c2. Intersect orthogonally. Intersect orthogonally. Problem 40. Show that the curves r power n is equal to alpha secant n theta, r power n is equal to beta cosecant n theta intersect orthogonally. Solution r power n is equal to alpha secant n theta. From this alpha, r power n by secant n theta, r power n cos n theta. 1 by secant n theta is cos n theta. Your m1 minus dou alpha by dou theta by dou alpha by dou r. Here polar coordinates, instead of x here theta, instead of y here r, is equal to minus alpha derivative with respect to theta, r power n constant, cos n theta derivative minus n sin n theta by alpha derivative with respect to r, n into r power n minus 1 cos n theta. This is equal to n cancel, r power n also cancel, minus cancel, r power n by r. So we get r sin n theta by cos n theta, sin n theta by cos n theta. Next, r power n is given beta cosecant n theta. From this beta, r power n by cosecant n theta. 1 by cosecant n theta is sin n theta. R power n sin n theta. Now your M2 is minus dou beta by dou theta by dou beta by dou r. Same procedure. Dou beta by dou theta, beta derivative with respect to theta, minus here r power n constant n cos n theta by beta derivative with respect to r, sin n theta constant. So n into r power n minus 1 sin n theta. R power n cancel r times here, r power n minus 1 cancel here, r times n cancel. So minus r cos n theta by sin n theta. Here also r power n in this cancel r times. n cancel. So r sin n theta by cos n theta. This minus r cos n theta sin n theta. M1 M2 is equal to, what is your M1? R sin n theta by cos n theta into minus r cos n theta by sin n theta is equal to minus r square. Therefore, given curves intersect orthogonally. Note, in xy coordinates, M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. In polar coordinates, r theta, M1 M2 is equal to minus r square. So observe carefully.